Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to see how to add student to Uteach bundle from ThriveCart purchase. So here I'm selling my online course bundle on ThriveCart, and now what I want is that as I'm going to receive a new purchase from ThriveCart, then automatically I'm going to create a new student in Uteach and I'm going to add that student into my bundle in Uteach. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between ThriveCart and Uteach. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to automate this process of enrollment, and for doing that, I need to take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see how we can add student to Uteach bundle from ThriveCart purchase. So here we are going to integrate ThriveCart and Uteach, and this integration is incredibly valuable for online educators and course creators who wants to streamline their enrollment process and ensure experience for their students. Now by creating this integration, we will have a seamless enrollment, and automating this process ensures that students are immediately added to the correct course bundle, and it will save our time and energy, and it will also reduce the manual error. Now imagine I'm an online instructor and I'm selling a comprehensive Core PHP course bundle through ThriveCart, and now every time a student purchases my course from ThriveCart, then automatically that student will be added to my Uteach bundle. This will ensure that they can start learning immediately and enhancing their experience, and also this will free up my time so that I can focus on teaching and course development. Now integrating ThriveCart with Uteach for automatic student enrollment simplifies my workflow, enhances accuracy, and significantly improves the overall experience for both me and my students. Now I'm going to build this connection or this integration between ThriveCart and Uteach with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing integration and automation software, and now with the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. Now as I'm going to receive a new purchase from ThriveCart, then automatically I'm going to add that student to my bundle in Uteach. Now let's get started, and for using Pabbly Connect, I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here I have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add student to Uteach bundle from ThriveCart purchase. And now what I need to do is I need to select my folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of ThriveCart. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click on Create. And this will take us to this window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here in my trigger, I'm going to select ThriveCart. So here ThriveCart is going to be my trigger application. So I'm going to search for that. And here I'm going to select ThriveCart. Now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and product purchase will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect ThriveCart with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And for connecting ThriveCart with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So here, how I'm going to get this token? For that, I need to take you to ThriveCart. And here in ThriveCart, what I need to do is I need to open my profile, and I need to go to Settings. And here in Settings, I have this option of API and Webhooks. So I'm going to open this. Now here I need to go to API keys. So I'm going to click on View Settings, and now here what I need to do is I need to create a new API key, and that API key is going to be my token. So I'm going to click on this Create API Key button. Now I need to give a name to my key. So my name will be Uteach Enrollment. So here this is going to be my name, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create API key, and here it has generated this API key. So this is my token, so I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this tab. Now I need to click on save, and here I have successfully connected ThriveCart with Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to select the products or the courses that I want to sell through ThriveCart. So for selecting the product, I need to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the products that I have in my ThriveCart account, and here I can even select multiple products. So here I'm going to select this course of Core PHP programming. So this is my Core PHP programming bundle, so I'm going to select this, and now I need to give my product status. So for getting this product status, I need to take you back to ThriveCart. I will close this and I will go to products, and here in products we can see I have this course of Core PHP programming and it is in test mode. So this is in test mode, so I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and here in product status I'm going to open this and I need to select test mode. But if you have your product in live mode, then you can select that and you need to do the same step and you will get the same responses. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on save and send test request button, and here we can see it is waiting for response. So how I'm going to get this response? For that I need to make a new purchase for my Core PHP programming course bundle, and for that I need to take you to ThriveCart. I'm going to open this course, and here I'm going to go to view checkout. So here this is my checkout page for my Core PHP programming course, and I'm going to fill all these details and I'm going to make payment for this course. So here I need to give my first name. So my first name will be Demo, my last name will be Student. Here my email will be demostudent14@pabblytudes.com. So here this is going to be my email address. Now I need to give a phone number. So I'm going to give the phone number of my student. Now I need to give the billing address. So I'm going to fill dummy billing address here. So my street address will be random. Now I need to give a city. So my city will be Indore. I need to give a zip code. So this is a random zip code. And here my country is already selected, which is India. So I'm going to select my region. That will be Madhya Pradesh. And now what I need to do is I need to click on continue. And here I need to make a payment. So here I have filled my payment information, and this is a test payment. So I have filled the dummy details here. Now what I need to do is I need to click on complete order. And here I have successfully completed my payment, and I have created this purchase for Core PHP programming, which is my course bundle. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my purchase that I have just made in ThriveCart, and here this is my purchase name or my product name, that is Core PHP programming. Here I have my currency, that is US dollar. I have my amount, that is of $10. Also here I have my order processor, which is authorized. I have the name of my customer or the name of my student, that is Demo Student. I have the email address, that is demostudent14@pabblytudes.com. I have this contact number of my student. Also I have the billing address, that is Random Street, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and my country code, that is for India, that is IN, and I have this random zip code. Now here we can see that as I have received all these details of my student and my purchase from ThriveCart, now by using all these details, I need to create a new student, and after creating that student, I want to enroll that student in my course bundle in Uteach. So for that, I need to set up my actions tab. And here in my actions tab, I'm going to use Uteach as my action application. So I'm going to select Uteach here. So Uteach is an all-in-one platform where you can host, manage your whole e-learning business, and it also enables courses, creators, trainers, coaches, and online educators to create professional e-teaching website and publish, market, and sell online courses. So here I have selected Uteach. Now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create student will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Uteach with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Uteach with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a domain and the API key. So how I can get these details? For that, what I need to do is I need to take you to my Uteach account. Now here I need to go to settings. And here in settings, I need to open integration settings. Now in integrations, I need to go to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have my API key and the domain for Pabbly. Now what I need to do is I need to copy these details and I need to paste them in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do that. And here I have filled all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save. And here I've connected Uteach with Pabbly Connect. Now for creating a new student in Uteach, I need to give the name of my student and the email address. So here I'm receiving these details from my response of ThriveCart purchase. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that response and I'm going to map that here in this tab. So here I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open the response of ThriveCart, and here I need to first search for my student name. So here this is my student name, that is demo student. So I'm going to map this. And similarly, I'm going to map the email address. So I need to click here. I will open the response of ThriveCart. And here this is the email address. So I'm going to map this. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Toolkit button. So I'm going to click here. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new student automatically in Uteach with all the detail of my ThriveCart purchase. So here to check this, I need to take you to Uteach. I'm going to close this, and now we'll go to users, and in users I'm going to open students. And here in students we can see I have just created this new student that is named as demo student, and the email is demostudent14@pabblytudes.com. So here I have created this new student automatically in Uteach by using the detail from my ThriveCart purchase. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and now what I need to do is I need to add the student into my course bundle in Uteach. So for that I'm going to add my last sections tab, and here again I'm going to use Uteach. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and add student to bundle will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Uteach with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect, and I have already created this connection between Uteach and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this existing connection, and I'm going to click on save. Now for adding student in my bundle, I need to give my student email and the bundle slug. So first I'm going to map my student email. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of ThriveCart, and here this is the email address. So I'm going to map this. Now what I need to do is I need to give my bundle slug. So for getting this bundle slug, what I need to do is I need to go back to Uteach, and here what I need to do is I need to scroll down, and I need to go to marketing, and in marketing I have my bundles. So I'm going to open that, and here we can see I have this bundle of Core PHP. So I'm going to open this, and here I need my bundle slug. So where I'm going to find my bundle slug, for that I need to search for my path URL, and after this last slash I have my bundle slug. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here. Now I have filled all the required details, and I have mapped all these details here in my action steps. Now as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that as a new student will make a new purchase from ThriveCart, then automatically I'm going to receive the response of that student, and as I'm going to receive the new response, then automatically the details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new response in the real time. So now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Toolkit button, and here I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have automatically added my student into my course bundle in Uteach. Now to check this, let me take you back to Uteach. I will go to students, and here this was my student which is named as demo student. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this student, and here I need to go to learning content, and here in content we can see I have added this student into this bundle of Core PHP. So here we can see that I have added my student into my bundle in Uteach, and I have enrolled this student automatically in Uteach as the student made a purchase in ThriveCart. So here my connection between ThriveCart and Uteach is working successfully, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase from ThriveCart, then automatically by using those details of the purchase, I'm going to first create a new student in Uteach, and after creating that student, I'm going to add that student into my course bundle in Uteach. So here my connection and this integration is working successfully, and I have automated this process of enrollment between ThriveCart and Uteach. Now as I'm going to receive a new purchase from ThriveCart, then automatically I'm going to enroll a student in Uteach. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have successfully created this connection between ThriveCart and Uteach to automatically add student to Uteach bundle from ThriveCart purchase. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was ThriveCart and my trigger event was product purchase. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Uteach and my action event was create student, and then I have used my action event as add student to bundle. So here I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.